everyone, it's Nancy with She's Got Yarn. How's everybody doing? Oh, it's Wednesday evening. I just finished a live with over at the Crafty Floridian. We did our Boggy blanket unboxing, and I just want to thank everyone who popped in over there and to say hello, and also to thank everyone who has participated in the Boggy blanket drive, making blankets and making granny squares and sending them to Nina over at Nina's Knots Crochet. We're very grateful. So far we have 367 blankets. That's pretty much our goal last year, so I'm hoping we double it. And we will be collecting blankets through February. So if you want to participate in the Boggy Blanket Brigade, come on over every Wednesday night at the Crafty Floridian, Billy's channel. That's where she hosts the unboxing for me and Lynette, and yeah, and you can learn all about it if you have any questions. I have some information of the size of the blankets in my description box, and you can send them to my P.O. box if you would like. So yeah, every year it's getting bigger and bigger every year. I'm so proud of this, and so proud of everybody else that participated. So, well, tonight I was going to show you my finished object, Maverick or Zeusy. Come here, Zeus. Come here. Come here. I want you to try this on. It's a good boy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come. Come here. He's a little smaller than Maverick. Maverick's a big boy. Yeah. He doesn't miss a meal. All right. I did a little bit of a ruffle. Whoops. Oh, come on, Stan. Don't fail me now. But I've been asked, I forgot to sew that in. I've been asked if I'm going to do a pattern. I'm going to do a tutorial on this. I'm going to try. But yeah, I did a little something different here, and I did it on the back end. So Maverick's like, you've got my sweater on. Oh, I'm making another one. He's got your sweater on. Huh. Yeah. Yeah. I only forgot to do that one end. I thought I sewed all the ends in. I did sew them all in. I missed one. You look so pretty. And it's cool outside. So, yeah. Yes. You love your mama. Huh? You love your mama. You look so pretty. Yes, you do. And then I made Susie one. Missy Prissy. And I made the collars a little big so it goes across the chest here. More so. Yep. And I just did a small band here. I should do on the boys. On Maverick, the band doesn't hit his private parts. It does on Zeus. This is not quite as long as Maverick. Yes. Oh, are you jealous? He's a little jealous because somebody's got his sweater on. He knows that's his sweater. I'm making another one. I am. I'm making another one. Okay, guys. Move. 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 Come on. Come on, move. So, but yeah, I'm making another one here. It's really simple. I make a ribbing at the collar. Yep. Where'd you get that ball band? That's not yours. That's mine. That's mine. Okay. The yarn I'm using is Loops and Thread, and I love this yarn. The color is Safety Orange. I love this yarn. And then the I love this yarn is Tweed. It's a gray confetti. I knitted my first sweater with this yarn, and I had 2 skeins left. So I'm gonna do, I'm doing the collar in the confetti, and I'm gonna do the entire sweater in this orange, I think. I'm not sure. I may just do it in the confetti and trim it out with the orange. But I'd like to see what a solid orange sweater would look like with the gray trim. I think that'd be pretty. I have enough yarn. I used one full skein of Hobby Lobby yarn. I didn't use this color, but I used a gray for that sweater. And I still had some left over. Yeah. So, she looks so pretty. He looks comfy. Yeah. So I'm going to try to make everybody a sweater. Yeah. So for the winter. And I ordered some blue in Hirschner's Neon. If I don't get that, I'm going to use, it's like a periwinkle that I just got in the other night in Loops and Thread. I'm going to use that with gray. I think that'll look nice. Yeah, I'm not going to put pink on my boys. Maybe neon. I have a neon yellow. Maybe I'll use the neon yellow. Yeah, green, yellow, and orange. Yeah, I think I might do that. We'll see. So, but I hope everybody's doing well. You guys want to clear a shelf tonight? You guys, several of you request me to continue to do this, and I've got lots of shelves. So, and this is Susie's. This is the first prototype. And the second one. The second one was a little more square. This one flared out a little more. I did the back a little longer. And I made, yeah, no two are alike. Yeah. So, but they both of them fit her really well. She loves them. But we had to wash one of them. Tim spilled his drink on her. She jumps on us with no notice. Yeah, I'll have coffee in my hand and she'll boing. It's everywhere. So, oh, and the hook size that I'm using is a Prim number 7 because I no longer have a 6. Not until hopefully tomorrow. It should be here tomorrow. I do have other hooks, size 6, but I'm really spoiled with that Prim. I know, like, I have Clover number 6. They're not the same. I've tried using them. They're different. They're slightly different, and the stitch definition's different between the two hooks. I've tried it. So, all right. So let's empty a shelf. I'll be right back. I still haven't found my clicker. I hope I didn't wash it or something. There's no telling. There. Alrighty. This is Divinity by Hobby Lobby. I caked them up. Those are those donuts. I need to bag them up, and I will. That's Nordic by Premier. Cake that up. I started to make a sweater, and the color break was not, but I didn't like the color break in it. So it was this color here. So, but yeah, this color is, I paid $2.24, normally $8.99. Premier Nordic, 546 yards, 200 grams, 7 ounces, 500 meters, 100% anti-pilling. It has a pattern. Isn't that pretty? And it's a number 3 light, machine wash and tumble dry. Quit, you're annoying me. So, yeah, he's chewing up, making a mess. So I have 4 of these in my stash. And then, does it say the color? This is olive. And then this color, same specs. It is rose linen. And that's the pattern, knitted. I don't know if I'll ever get to knitting. that. I'm still a beginner, but I got 4. I got these for $2.24 on clearance. The next color I have is Harbor Gray. Is that blowing out, y'all? I got the light a little close. Is that better? Yeah, I think that's more true. Harbor Gray. I got 4 of those. So 2,000 yards. And then the next color I got was Country Blue. Is that not beautiful? It's got some beige and gray or off-white, and then a nice blue, and that's the pattern. I got 4 of those also. And then I have purple, and the color is called Wisteria. I have 3 of this color. It's a nice yarn. Oh, my bag. All right. I have some Premier Bloom Chanel. It's 87 yards, 100% polyester. The colorway is Daffodil. It's kind of new. But 87 yards. I got 5 skeins. I don't know why I bought that. I bought it for something, but I can't remember. Stop licking. Okay, the next one's Premier Bloom. It is a self-striping floral print, 656 yards. And this is what its pattern's supposed to be. Maverick, quit. And the colorway is Femme, F-E-M. And I have 4 of these. I've got lots. Good boy. Now he's laying down. Here's Premier Bamboo. I have some of that on this bottom shelf. I'm going to put that down there. The other color I have is Morning Glory. Is that not pretty? And it too is a number 3 light. I've got 4. 3 or 4. 3. Maybe just 3. And then the last one, self-striping, 656 yards. The colorway is, I'm sorry, Apricot Blossom. Quit licking. I don't mind them licking. I don't think you guys want to hear it. All right, and then I have some more Premier Serenity. When I bought this, I thought it was a number 5. It's a sock yarn. I don't know what I was thinking. But yeah. It's a number 1. 230 yards. 50% superwash, 50% lane, 50%, no, 25% rayon, and then the rest is bamboo and nylon. I can't see it, but it's pretty. When I get ready to do socks, I have some yarn. Oh, bottle cap. All right, here's some more Bloom, Premier Bloom, and this is a number 3, and the colorway is Boutonniere. It's a gray. I've had this yarn for a couple years. I don't see red stickers, so I've probably paid regular price. Some of it I get from Walmart. The Bloom Chunky Big I get from Walmart. This is a number 5 bulky. Gerbera is the color. 218 yards, 100% acrylic. It's really pretty. And that's the pattern. I think it's a knit pattern. No, that looks like it's crochet. I don't know. Poise blanket pattern. I'm not sure what it is. But I have 6 of them. I have 6. And then the next one I have 6 of is the blue, chunky, big Bluebell. I caked this one up. But it has a pattern right there. I wonder if that's crochet. I'd have to pull it up online. 218 yards, but I have 6 total. And I think they still sell this at Walmart. I don't know. My Walmart's terrible. This one I also tried to mess with. I caked it back up. I can't remember what happened, but the project was kind of a fail, I guess. Or I might have just caked it up because it was falling apart. Tulip. I've got 6, 7, 8 of them. 2 that I caked up and 5 that are in regular skeins. So, very pretty for, I bought it for my granddaughter. Very pretty, very pretty. This basket's coming handy dandy for me. So that's 2 shelves of Premier yarn that I'm gonna bag up tonight. Okay, I'm back. Real quick before I get into this, I just want to mention, some of you guys know, some of you did not know, but I don't want to break my table and fall through it. I was hospitalized last week. That's why I was not able to make the Boggy Creek unboxing, but I'm doing fine. As you all know, I had a heart attack in June, and I do have heart disease, and I had a heart cath placed in June. I'm doing okay, but I was having some chest pain. All the tests seem to be negative. They're still running more tests. I may have to get another heart catheterization, but we're going to wait and see. I'm trying to avoid that. They suggested I do it, and I asked them if, what else can we do before we do that? And so they said they were going to run some more tests. So the last test, I got a ton of blood work done. And the last test will be November 16th. I'll get an echo and go from there. If I'm still having some chest discomfort, they may go ahead and do another cath. But I just want to thank everybody for their prayers. I didn't want to worry everybody, so I didn't have Tiff come out because I wasn't actively having a heart attack. I was just being kind of proactive. I was having some symptoms, and my son said, "Mom, just go, just to be safe." And that's what I did. They did admit me because I fell within those guidelines. I know I've told some of you, but some of you aren't aware. I've talked to a couple people. They could tell something wasn't right with me. I swell up in my face when I'm not feeling good. It's my heart. So I inherited my dad's heart. But I'm doing okay. I'm still tired. That's when I know something ain't right. Just exhausted. And I am taking it easy. I mean, I'm still going to be part of the Boggy Blankets. It would break my heart if I couldn't do it. And so I just unbox them. You guys really do all the work, and like my shelves, I'm doing a shelf or 2 a day here and there. It's not hard labor. So, I mean, I'm not confined to the bed. Okay. But while I was feeling bad, I didn't do much. I did make a doggy blanket. I know I promised some tutorials, and I'll get to them. we're really busy with Boggy blankets, and after the new year, we get those delivered. I'm gonna focus on making some of those things that I told you I would make. I don't know what it is about this community, but everybody, everybody's wonderful, and they want to do this and that, and I don't want to say no. I want to do everything, and I know I can't possibly do everything, but I want to. Oh, I want to show you. My husband bought me another pair of earrings. These earrings are interesting. Look at, I've never seen earrings like that. Do you see where the thing is? It's down in it. I don't know. They're different, but yeah. I thought that was so sweet. Yeah, 2 pair of earrings in 1 month. I must have been a good girl. Oh, but anyways, I'm going to go ahead and bag up the yarn. I hope you guys enjoy watching me do it. And listen, I just chat with you guys, It's entertainment. So, and yes, I have my Barbie sweatshirt. Yeah. I can't live vicariously through my daughter anymore, so I'm just admitting it. I loved Barbie when I was little, and I still love Barbie. I always wanted Barbies, and I never got them until I was an adult, and I bought them for my daughter, but she doesn't care for Barbies. It's funny. One day she told me, I probably told you guys this, she said, Mom, I think she was like 24. She goes, will you stop buying Barbies for me? I'm not a little girl anymore. I'm like, okay. Oh. It was fun. But yeah, I bought her other things other than Barbie. All kinds of, The Little Mermaid was real popular in the 80s. She was born in 86. So The Little Mermaid was real popular. Of course, she got a Little Mermaid. She got Belle when the Beauty and the Beast. All that fun stuff. Oh. I got some more bags on order. Because some people are asking me what size bags. I got 3 different sizes. 14 by 14, 11 by 14, and I think I got 17 by 13. And, depending on what yarn you're bagging up, I use several different sizes. So, but it's worked out well, and I don't know where my loose tape is. My housekeeper's coming tomorrow, so I want to get this out of the way. Because, yeah, I don't want to be in her way tomorrow. And she's been really good at helping me stay organized with my yarn. She helped me get it together. I hired her to come in an extra day 1 week, and we really got a lot done. And I got my new shelf up, of course. These are the ones I already caked up. Let's see if I can get 2 of them in here. Yep, perfect. A little wonky, but that's okay. That's okay. Yep, there we go. I'm going to try to stick it out and get this whole thing done. I don't know. I'm not going to make any promises. I am tired. But, my doctor said something to me today. She said, you're tired. She says, there's not enough activity to keep you asleep is what it is. Part of the problem. Which makes sense. But I don't have the energy to be active, so I don't know. But we're going to try to get me back on track, because I was feeling better. And then, I don't know. They adjusted a couple of my medications. So hopefully that'll help. And one of them, I got a new medication. I start tomorrow. Oh. Yeah, and doubled. I have high cholesterol. Yeah. It's all them steaks I ate growing up. I was a steak and potato girl. Yep. Oh man. Did I bust it? No, I didn't bust it. I don't want to break the ball band. There's like a second seam in these bags. Oh, come on, ants. I don't want to mess up the ball band. Too late. No, it's okay. There. It looks so nice in these bags. We got a long ways to go. Well, I only got one more shelf in here. I gotta get my tape. What did I do wrong? I folded it in on itself. Oops. Okay, there we go. There we go. It's so pretty. I want to make that blanket. No, you just got to go to premier.com. It's called the Pretty Poses Blanket Pattern. Tonight, I opened up Boggy blankets. Oh my gosh. There's some beautiful, beautiful blankets. Beautiful. And everybody's so creative. It gives me ideas. You guys inspire me. Oh. Okay. Here we go. But yeah, I can't believe we've already reached 367. That's awesome. Hoping to double that. That'd be awesome. And we're trying to get shirts made so that any proceeds for the shirts, we're going to have it with Boggy Blanket Brigade. All proceeds go directly to Boggy Creek. And we'll have a t-shirt. So we've talked to a few people about the design, and that kind of stuff doesn't happen overnight, you know. We probably should have thought of it sooner, but you know, we weren't sure we were allowed to do it either. So, but even if we're late this year, we'll be prepared next year. You know, we'll have Boggy Creek 2025, you know. Because we're delivering these blankets 2024, so we might as well have the shirt, you know, 23 through 24, I guess, is what we can do. But yeah, this chunky yarn, not a lot fits in these bags with chunky yarn, which is fine. This is nice yarn. You remember Michael's had some baby yarn that was kind of reminds me of that. I'm out of screen. I'm sorry, y'all. Yeah. Let me move this over. shelves are falling apart. Oh no. I'm gonna have to get the screw gun out. Oh no. And guess what? Look what I found. Oh, shoot. I wonder if it'll fit in here. Oh, come on. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it sideways. Yep, we got it. We got it. We got it. We got it. Yay. I definitely need to get some tape. Hang on. Hey, y'all, I'm back. Oh, goodness. I need to put them in sideways like that. I'm going to put this back so you can see everything. How's that? That's better. And I'll scooch down. I can't find my little tape dispenser. I don't know what I do with it. It's probably where my clicker is. I think my clicker's in this couch. My couch has a tendency to eat hooks and stuff. And every Thursday when my housekeeper comes, she finds everything. Yeah. Shay is a godsend. Isn't that pretty? Those colors are so beautiful. I hope I wasn't out of view the whole time bagging up those others. I did show you the yarn before I bagged them, so hopefully. Everybody's so quiet. Even Susie. Susie hasn't come to visit me tonight. Usually she'll come in and say hello. But yeah, but she's a daddy's girl. She's not a mama's girl. That day will come. Not anytime soon. Tim just thinks I'm going to have my hands full with these older guys here over the next few years. So, I know Archie a little bit. Zeus is even getting slippery. My groomer, she shaves the bottom of their feet so they get traction on my flooring, but Zeusie's still slipping. He busted his tail the other day, and he's got 4 legs. He slipped. But and I guess I'm going to use this shipping tape to tape stuff because I don't know where the little tape is. I have some, but it's attached to the counter. I can't take it off the counter. Okay, I'm going to go put this over on the shelf. And yeah, the shelves are bulging, and I got one shelf that's coming. I gotta screw it, and I'll do that tomorrow. I should have done it the other day. Okay. Goodness gracious. I love this color. I call it Grinch green. So pretty. I have 4 of these. I wonder if 4 will fit in here. I doubt it. Oh, maybe. We'll mish them. Maybe. Yep. It's got, by George, I think we've got it. Yep. They may not fit on that shelf. There we go. And then we've got this Chanel. It's so pretty. I want to make an amigurumi with it. Not sure what. But everything's coming out. It's so slippery. And this one doesn't have a ball band. Oh. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. I hope you guys can see that. I hope I'm not too far away. I'm going to put this on the shelf. This one's got to go on the higher shelf because it's 4 skeins. Okie dokie, here we go. I hope I can fit 4 skeins of this. I know I can, I just hope it stores nicely. I remember when I bought this, it was expensive, $9. And then it went really cheap. But that's Hobby Lobby clearance. I know some, oh, here's a couple comments. People were like, I can't afford bougie yarn. I don't pay that kind. I don't pay high dollar. I buy it on clearance. I look for the sales. I look for the coupons. And just sign up with Premier. I mean, sign up for emails. You know, and you'll get those specials. Like right now, Lion Brand has their Santa bags. So I actually ordered 2. I know there's a lot of people annoyed with Lion Brand. They have not received, I guess, the last special they had. People are like, their order's been, well, they can't reach anybody to find out what's going on. Some of the people I've talked to. I didn't order anything, so I don't know. I ordered the Santa sacks. If they don't come, they don't come. If they come, great. I am not going to worry about it. I'm giving Lion Brand another chance. I've been really lucky with their mystery bags. I've been very pleased with the last mystery bag. I don't do their mystery bags, but I don't know. I was watching Crystal over at Bag a Day. I think it was her, and I don't know. I ordered it, and I was very pleased with what I got. She was not pleased with what she got. She would have been happy with my order. I got Scarfy, and it was her favorite colors. You know, the browns, and it was real pretty. I only have 3 purples. The rest of them I have 4. And I just, you know, I grabbed what they had on clearance. This is all on clearance yarn from Hobby Lobby. The Nordica. I think I hurt Maverick's feelings. I don't mind him licking. I don't want it. It seems like every time I turn the camera on, they're either licking or slurping water. And I haven't checked their water today. I probably have to fill up their water bucket. I usually do it every night. It's a dish. It's not a bucket. I think I got that pan at Ollie's really cheap or Big Lots. One of those places. I got a really good deal on their big bowl, water bowl. I love it. It's stainless steel. It's nice. It's hard to find nice stuff like that these days. Everything's so hidden. Metal looks like metal, but deep down in it is plastic. I've come across stuff like that. Hey, Zeus, can I have the sweater back? Are you hot? That sweater's too big for him. Oh. Oh, look, it's looking good. It looks good on the shelf too, y'all. Let me turn you around. Yeah, I can fit a couple more in here. But this shelf is bowing, so I got to put a screw in on the side. But this shelf seems to be okay. So we can put one more. We got room for 2 more packages. Lovely. And I know I've got, well, I might have enough room. I don't know. Let's see. This basket's coming handy dandy. Yep. Actually, I only have this left for those shelves. I have some stuff I got to bag up in here. They're onesie twosies. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them out here. They're cakes like this. I've got 3 of these and 1 of this. This is a bobbin. You know, I got to figure out what I'm going to do with it. Like where I'm going to store it. I'm keeping it. I just need to figure out where I'm going to put it. And I've got some cakes up there that I wound up. The Divinity. I need to bag those up too. So, because I do have one shelf up there. It's all cakes. And then tomorrow I'll do the bottom shelf. The bottom shelf is Toy Box, Premier Toy Box yarn. And then there's some odds and ends schemes. I see some sparkle yarn down there. And Christmas yarn. And some bamboo. But this is my last bag for the 2 shelves for tonight. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me. And again, I want to thank everybody for their thoughts and their prayers, especially my Zoom sisters who, you know, who kept an eye on me. Lynette kept everybody informed. And I haven't been in Zoom. I get in there and I won't go to bed. So I plan on next week going in there, maybe this weekend. But I've been resting, trying to rest. Even though I'm not sleeping, I'm resting. So, but yeah, I'm trying to take care of myself. So I was this active person for so many years, and now all of a sudden it's like I have no energy. The gears are going 100 miles an hour, but I can't keep up with my brain, and that's always been difficult for me with my ADHD. But they're adjusting my medication, so hopefully my body can catch up with my brain. I don't know if that'll ever happen. So, but all right, guys, I'm gonna get off of here. I love you all, and yeah, thank you again for your support with Boggy Creek, your support joining us the other night with the breast cancer doctors coming on Tuesday Night Live with me and Lynette. That was really cool. There was like 115 of you guys that showed up, which is awesome. And they said they'll come back next year. So if you got any questions, write them down for next year, you know. And, you know, technology, I mean, there's new treatments all the time. So, and, you know, I know they didn't answer everybody's questions, but I did read all the questions last night. I acknowledge that. There's a lot of you have had family members with breast cancer or personally touched with cancer. And yeah, it's scary. You know, my dad has been battling cancer, and my mom had a scare. So it runs in my family. And her sister was recently diagnosed with breast cancer, the gene. So yeah, but everybody's been tested. Everybody's tested negative. And so thank goodness. Breast cancer doesn't run in our family, and I don't know if it's a recessed gene. I'm not sure how all that works. I wanted to ask the questions last night, but I wanted you guys to get your questions, and I can always call them if I have a question. So, all right, guys, I love you all. Mwah. Have a good afternoon. Well, it's evening, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye, y'all.